If it's your first time to the channel, please, I'm asking you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new content. We realize that persons are watching the video and at times you guys are not subscribing. Subscribing is important. So remember, please subscribe.
Curious King. Love is everything. Where do I begin? No, 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 no. I know. Trouble not set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. Trouble no set up like rain. When you're lonely, words are not here to explain. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true.
Yeah, man, me beat out, man. Last night was a rough night, man.
Cool up and now, cause yo, that chap close up to 2,000 and that me a go on with that. My book almost full. Right now, yesterday about 3 in one day.
1,000 and nothing that, man. 3 in one night. It's soft, man. Soft. But me don't want so much man in one time, so one at a time. One at a time.
Right now, and I West Ham say me have plans to circle up some things, you know. Right, you know. But me I tell you, I say bet is still on. I will catch 1,500 first, you know, and I real money bet, you know. I know cheating, can write the name them down, can verify. You know what I mean?
The book almost full. Probably forget the next book. There are some big names tonight too, you know, boy.
Right now, the one down so. Down at the side of the bus park. No, the bus park. Gas station, that's all.
You see a deal with it?
No. The other one that I had this case, me see for this long while. The brown in the when the closed store.
Oh!
Nobody can get out, you see it. But I think I have a chance still.
I think you have a chance. I'm going to try my luck. I'm going to try my luck and see what I'm going.
I have a hard one. I have a hard one on my profile. I know if I share the idea, I'm going to try circular. That's my real idea. Yo, you see how one here come here.
One it done! Oh man, one it done!
Yeah, man, so man, I'm the one.
Yeah, what it
There you go now, man, my father.
I tell her to say my soft soap when it comes to girl business, daddy.
You know, so from a seat one, I know, say I must something like this now up to.
Yeah,
Someone in a competition with me, brother. Over
1,500. We gone 1,000 look be 30. Him just there 900. Who I chop? Lad? Who I chop?
Boy, only thing I can tell you still, you know. See the road down now go down. I've been there and done this already, you know.
Yeah, I'll get one on me, boss!
You see me I talk about? This is the reason why I get one on. You understand?
No,
I have to live with it.
I country man from a Portland, man. You can't take up my Portland, man. That's my problem.
Because I want to know. You see, me have the experience as it pertains to this. That's why I want to know, you know.
But you want to
Man, sound like porridge.
you get one hand. But when I say the man you breathe, sir, so you get a happy ending. You get 2 youth after that. You can't get no hand because one and a half.
Yeah.
You can't get the last one, make you lose it. Make you have to start giving foot now.
I don't mind, you say youth now, we aim the things and them the things more drastic. But me is a smooth. Everything good, man. Because everybody know me, I do, so them know so that's a part of the thing, you know what I mean?
Woman always want the White House and the picket fence, so I just make sure, so I tell her, so she might know where you're up to, but at the end she wants something different, so. I just be careful still, but I just want to make her know still.
So yeah, go on.
I don't know my story already about my hand already, so I don't know where I go already.
Now one thing, girls just want to have fun.
Exactly. A woman wants to be treated with respect. Nice.
I don't do anything still. I pass through, but everything good though.
Yeah, man. Right now, upon the road, I'm chop through.
There, my father, man. I go on normal.
Alright, no go and do another man. I go down the road and see if I can get something to cook.
I walk cook. Oh, mama pay that cook. Yeah, man. Go and get it.
Somebody can't cook, man. I have to just buy the food. The wife have to cook
You're
a
red,
yard.
man. You think you think...
You're well tied up.
No, yeah. Not you, me have one and that means me handicap. Look at more.
You're well tied up, my boss. Oh, God,
Yo,
yo.
be careful. You girl, let me know kind of lie, man. I tell you now.
You sound like porridge, man.
You have to watch what you do with the girl, them, cause them will mash you up. You see like how you love going like your girl is. You see one and like him and no one. Yo, you see one down so, she cruel, you know. We just take her image off her, you know, normal.
You think so? No, sir. Once you name them and everything now, man.
Alright, yo, you know. Never mention because you see I want to tell about see a party what day, you know. And I tell you where girl are going. You know, for she had an idea, so she must circle up. You know, for she walk on, she have a look with it, she have a do that super errand. I have a link as I'm working, man. I don't do the only thing, you know. My thing I've worked with intelligence. So people are call me and I tell me, say, oh, that move that make 5 o'clock. That move that make 3 o'clock, and some do my thing. Yeah.
Everything more different, man. I'm a Mr. Smooth, you know? Mr. Smooth.
Alright, 1,500. Then at 1,500, you have me 150,000. Cash. That's a bet, it's a bet, you know.
Watch how quick me I go run past for your 1,500 and give you over change. Me I give you change.
But remember I said, the deal is, and then get 1,500, you have to pay up. So if you're there 900, I'm with that 1,000, you know who what take the lead.
Yeah, but you're going to have a hard time to find the rest of one them.
Alright.
It's easy for me, my boss.
Alright, boy, go on do your thing.
Easy, my boss.
One more pound gone today. So it's so where your name? Fire. I want to see you. Will you talk to me? Because I don't want nobody. You know.
What one?
There's something about you. You're like a magnet. And I am steel. So I know me just John to you so.
Yeah, what does it mean?
Yeah, words in my mouth. But we have things where anywhere today, we have it there. In my mouth, we have words. But if I length, it is there. If I strength, it is there. If I money, in a pocket, it is there. You know yourself, what you want to do. What does it take to make you happy?
Just want somebody to help me. Treat me nice.
If that you want, you know, we know say it's a bit blunt, but for real, you know what I mean? Everybody searching for the same thing, you know what I mean?
Once I approach them, when they always hurt me, tell me say they're different, and sometimes me go through 1 month, 2 months.
You know something we say a while ago?
What make?
Because every time I talk to you, you look at bush, like you talk to the bush. I talk to I and I. Look at me eyes, man, I tell you. How you break people, man, you know?
No, sir, I'm not break nobody heart.
But
Yeah,
see,
we
just
get
still I look at bush and
heart
now looking at my eye. One half look on.
No.
You know, there's an attraction, you know, with me and you, you know. And at first, I say, but at first, I talk to you. You know what I mean? I always see you. And you see every the party. When I say, go down there, why not go down there? You see you go down there and touch the ground. And I say, yo.
Oh, so you've been watching me?
Now my eyes them, you know. And I look for what I want, you know what I mean? And like I just walk on the road and see I walk over there. So, you know what I mean? Say, you would have time it's in some word, you know what I mean? So, when can we meet up? When can we talk though?
Take my number and call me and we'll see what happens after that.
So you want to mash up me like you mash up with man?
No, I won't do that, but I hope you not do that like what everybody else do.
Put the phone. Put the number in the phone.
Teacher?
Alright. You get that out of the way. What do you like though?
I like going out on dates, and I love water. I love going to places with water.
You're like a mermaid. No water we drink.
No, I'm good.
She say love water. I was planning to offer you a drink of water. I love champagne, I love alcohol. You don't drink alcohol?
Yes, I do.
Bet on a daily basis, 100 a man I say the same thing to you. So you're hot, and you do it in a certain style, and you lick them, you suck a little more thing, so you feel them kind of cherish. So I know so every turn I turn man I say things to you. So seriously, to make you block every other man and give me the position, what does it take? You don't go straight to the point, you know what I'm going to time.
All you have to do, call me, we'll link, we'll go out on a date to get to know each other. And if you're treating me the way I want you to, if you're doing the right things, if you're staying loyal, if you're being nice, you bring me out, all of this something I want to love, I'm all yours.
So basically, all of this, both me, so everything I'm gathered from what you say is bringing you out. So when can I take you out then?
Call me.
Oh, me too inquisitive. I don't know where you're going. Where you going though?
To the supermarket.
Oh, so what could you go down in? Then I go back on the road, but I was not see you safe. But if I don't see you safe, I'm gonna tell you something. If you're a girl like you, you just feel like you have ambition. I don't know why I get that feeling here. You have ambition. And me is the ambitious youth. I was a player, you know. I was a player. I tell no other woman this. Me, I did player. I'm done with the one done that. So I've been lonely for a couple of times. I'm just done all them things that just look for the right person. A while ago, there's something about him because make sure you come see you, see at the party, see at the world, know something about you and see yourself. You know what I mean? You just step out most of the time. You know what I mean? I'm see you, you carry yourself. You say yourself, you're a girl, that'll be a nice wife. You know what I mean? Really interested in you. You know what I mean? Some of them want to read my rule and people tell the things because people love talk. But nobody really know. Because all the time when I was playing, me just say a search to try to find myself because I was lost. So yes, it seems like somebody was a victim, but I was a victim. I was actually hurting myself. You know what I mean? So no one done it that road there and just find somebody. You know what I mean? So the things that what you said to me, you know, seem sensible. Take you out on a date, we take it slow. You know what I mean? I don't talk about under you. I no sexual thing yet. You know what I mean? Just hope so anytime, right? That's good, but just find the good. But apart from that, let's stick to the next part time. Carry out, we go different places. We want to get to know you as a person.
Well, I'm listening to what you're saying, yes. It sounds like you were a player. You said you were a player. So
Yeah.
like a change. I don't believe what you said still. I don't believe in nothing what you said. Well, if you said that, then we will try. Probably have to think about it.
We're not going out the first. We'll go river and then the cooking, right? What do you think about that?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Alright, so we're going to go river. I'm going to call and check it out. Alright, so let's go. Alright. I'm opening the door for you. Good. Yes.
Alright, so we were supposed to do this from the inside, right? So I'm gonna go down there, I'm gonna meet them, be friendly with them, and I'm gonna see what I can get, like, in terms of information. Cheer up, man, cheer up. Give me a smile.
Okay.
Alright. So it's here we're gonna meet again. I know there's a lot of crime in that community, so be my eyes and I'm gonna be fine. Wagwan Rasta.
Oh, go on in press. Yes, yeah, no.
Have weed, Rizla.
Yeah, man, I have a 50 bag and I can give you one.
Alright.
You smoke brown?
Yeah.
I can take one.
I'm new around here.
Yeah, man, I can see it. At first, I see you.
Really?
Yeah, man, you want a lighter?
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man, you're nice, man. So, which part, how far you live? Which part you live?
Not so far.
Not so far?
Right over there.
Right over there. Okay, so everything up though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm okay.
So you are going. Go and build up yours, man. I want you build up one for me too, you know, because you happen. From morning, I'm there. I wait for the hygiene to come build up a slip for me, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah, man, but just take out and give back your visa. Yeah, man, just take out and give back. Yeah, man, so what is this student name?
Sorry.
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 Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, so your name is Sorry.
My name is Sorry.
Okay, me get you.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, that kind of funny still, but alright, make it done. Alright, yeah, so sorry. Okay, yeah man, so just go and build up the one there for me.
Alright.
We look like you kinda green though.
Yeah. So about the party, is there a hot girl over here?
Sound like you're into girls, mama.
No.
Oh.
I'm just looking to party, you know.
Oh, I say. Yeah man, you can check out down there still at 1, 2, 3 man, but as I say, I'm not really forward at them places still, but you know, a nice good spot. You see it?
You know about your hand? That girl that did this to you. You want her dead or what? Because you know, I could help you. I'm kind of a hitman. So I could give you a discount, you know. You give me weed, you're a good man.
Boy, if I tell you the truth now, Empress. Boy, if when it just happened, I probably wouldn't think about it. But she got jail and she served her time. Alright now, I know she's sorry. You see me, so no harm done. I lose the hand, but I find ways and means to live with it. You see me? Yeah man, so I simple thing that man. Sometimes you have to forgive, you know. Yeah man, because you don't know what God said, you know, God forgive you for what we do wrong. You see me? Sometimes I feel, yeah man, me forgive her man. You don't know how say things set me lose the hand, but still alive. If you add to that, she come from jail. I give her 2 youth. She's my baby mother. We're not really dead still, but she have 2 youth for me, so I don't fall down. You see me? Day and night now, ready. Where I go in my life now.
That weed is nice, you know.
Yeah man, I tell you, a good weed man me have man.
It smoke fast.
I say you go, you know, when weed good, you know. See me? Yeah man.
Alright. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Alright, that's your word man. That's something I always do man, so you can feel free to drop by anytime, is it?
Alright, thanks. See you,
Alright,
man.
that's your word. Is it?
By the way, if you hear anybody who wants someone's dead, call me, right? We're friends now. I make money, you make money.
Yeah man.
We're friends now, so you get a percentage. Good.
Yeah man, sound like a plan man.
Alright. How are you?
I'm alright. I first see you around here though.
Yeah, I'm new around. My name is Sorry.
Oh.
I'm Shaka Berry.
Shaka Berry.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. I miss, you know, say some Sunday dinner me go beg my friends, so me see you again.
Alright.
Yeah.
Later.
Take care.
Alright.
What I'm saying, though, you see all of the man them who play with the art, I idiot them.
Me know.
So I'm glad to get the chance, you know.
Yeah. Me I hope you not be like the rest of them.
No, man. Not gonna be like that, you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to just understand, say, relationship is relationship and not get too emotional. And if you call me and not get me no time, just know say me always at like business me I do. So my time up I do some hustling and I try to make some money. So nothing to this and to that, you know what I mean?
Alright.
So if you come and not get me, no worry, me call you back.
Boy, you're good, too good to be true, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe you're really different.
You know, say have a good voice though.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright. Can I miss you?
Carrie, girl, why you put on so much weight?
I didn't know say notice.
Carrie, and what day this slim? You this slim what day?
I'm a new man, you know. And put it on the right way.
Oh my god.
But you
Telling
need to
you.
get that money yourself, how you do?
Carrie, to me, I feel like say I have to get a husband. Like the next man, him have to be my husband. Husband material, you know, with kids, everything. I just can't bother with the drink band business. I know me that.
Girl, you're young, you know. You know, if you look for a husband just so, you know, you have to get a little experience here and there, test the waters and see what kind of fish in there.
Me not depend on the joke thing with nobody. I may get too much hurt in a life. If you say me they go take up a next guy when I really serious or you know when I the play thing.
You have to know, say, man out there play. I that them a do, you know.
Me nah have time for that. If you not serious with me no depend the play thing. And another thing about it too, you know, Kerry. Life short, you know.
Come on, man, damn. You go on like say you're too boring, man. Like say you don't want somebody to put it on you right.
I love when them put it on me right way. Cause I know like me have man out there where me can go to for that, you know. But me don't want that. Me don't want that. Kerry, me want a right man in my life where me know say him did it for me 100%. You get what me say? Cause me can't have fun if me want, you know. I know who to call. Cause you know I'm bad like that, but me just want somebody with did it. Me want a husband with me and him can settle down, have kids. You know him having work, me have my work. And we just live happy.
Well, you have fun, you look, you know, you scope them out and you see who is who and where you can manage, you know.
No depend him something there. Me not want nobody come on me and I take me for some Scooby-Doo or some Dora thing. I serious something I want.
You can't say you don't want nobody to break your heart, because that's inevitable. It have to happen. You have to get your heart broken in order for you to find love.
Kerry, if a man ever broke my heart, you know, Kerry, me broke him balls, you know. Kerry, me take my heart serious, you know, Kerry. I no joke thing, you know. I don't know about you, know, Kerry, but me very emotional. I mean, no easy to get around, Kerry. Me I tell you, that's why me tell us I'm rather sit down and wait till me find the right man. But me nah go I run round, Kerry. Me nah have time for that. If me want to run, Kerry, me gotta stay down.
You know what it is like out there. So, just have to go and look out, you know.
Well, Kerry? Oh, Kerry. When you come take a look for my dog, me don't know what doing, but he look like him balls swell. And some other little thing I go on with him. Someone want you come take a look. As soon as you're not busy, anytime you're ready, but me just want you come take a look for him. A long time I had a dog there, I don't want nothing to do with him, you know? Yeah.
Me come look for him, you know.
Yeah, man.
Go look for the dog.
That one of it, show. Them blows in the forehead brush here, my lights filling around on the brush here. See eyes them. She looks so different today.
I don't know. I'm glad to see you.
Alright, so. No, you know, me have to do something up on the road and come back.
I can't wait till I come back.
Listen up, I'm not taking long, so I'm going to call up here.
I want making this so close, so I make it so close to you.
Mama man?
Your man.
Mm-hmm.
Me tell you something. You see your man there? Your man, he don't want nobody, you hear?
What you know?
When me know, well, me know say he want everybody, and you alone he want everybody. Mm-hmm.
He want you to?
He did try. You see, anytime he broke your heart, you try not come to me. Remember me did want you. You can't say me never want you.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
Whatever. Hope you can't say whatever when he broke your heart.
Shaka, you're too negative. The man say him the one player one time and he tell me say him change and believe him. He's different now.
Well, once a player, always a player. Me tell you that. If my heart go through so much heartbreak, me can't manage it. And you're too soft to go through them heartbreak. You can't manage it.
Me alright, me can take care of myself.
Remember me tell you, you won't broke your heart, and when you broke your heart, I'm sorry for you.
Just be happy for me now, girl.
Me happy for you. You know see I have a friend and I love you. Me happy for you, but me don't want you go through deep heartbreak them like
That not gonna happen, man. Enough of that. So where did I go?
You don't say you me there come check. You not cook nothing.
Yeah, me cook. But he say I go somewhere in a 1 hour and he soon come back. So you have to make hurry up and go chill and chat before 1 hour because you have to leave before he come back.
Oh, so you say him put me down. No problem, come give me food.
Alright. Come sit down, girl.
Remember say I couldn't come find us food.
Oh, no come. I'll share you. Sit here.
Thanks.
And I want to still in about you know I go already. Yes, girl. So you thought about him is he was our player.
I'm not gonna lie to you, no, Aliyah. You can cook, you know.
Me if he can cook. Cause you see that man here, I'm fine. Him look like him love him for him food and me want cook and give him for eat so he can stay with me. I love my more.
You could have cooked till you're weak, you still a go to go give you one. So Tandy.
Chucky, remember say you used to run road, you know. You stop now?
Mm-hmm.
So you say.
Give me top man.
But as me I tell you, in change, I know your phone password, going on your phone, reading message, phone ring you and tell me if you answer.
My grandmother used to tell me, say, leopard not changing spot. So you Tandy. Me know why you feel like say you're jealous, me jealous of your relationship still, you know. But we just want you to be careful.
Yeah, man.
Me I come go for now still. Thanks.
You not help me wash your plate them?
You know, say, me have some clothes for now, I don't want to fall for them and I come home, so.
Whatever, so you say. Alright.
Pause the video and go and subscribe right now. It's important for you guys to subscribe to the channel so we can continue to grow. Alright? Big up on yourself.
What's up, Dominic?
What, Garrick?
Long time I not see you.
I've been here a long time, I don't see you.
You look good, man.
Thank you very much, but me there, so I just bring me something and me go on. So, pack out the stop them and check up.
Where Jeremy there? A long time I not see him. A long time I not hear from that man there, you know.
Why? JJ's a story by himself. Garrick, you know, so between me and JJ broke my heart.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Good, bro.
My friend no stay so far me and JJ I come from and JJ a good youth.
Your best friend, but you don't know him personally. JJ broke my heart and hurt me.
No, man.
And yeah, tell you.
JJ a good youth.
Larry, you see, when JJ broke my heart and do what I do, I tell myself, say, me not to come. No more man. See me man here right now, it will stress me.
So, yeah, so you're single.
Single. I'm not ready for him, but I'm in the either.
So not even me so supposed to want you now.
Larry, come on. Why you even try? I mean, we could have never go talk to the man who hurt me, the man who broke my heart in best friend like, no, me not gonna do that.
But nothing wrong with
And then me come like brother and sister, come on Gary, you know better than that. You should even try.
Nothing wrong with that.
To me though, I think what we see as friends. You see that nice friendship, you look good, you look healthy and nice. I'm happy to see a long time I don't see you. You see a lot of good watch I bring out and things. But I like to see you and I think so the friendship are the best thing to do right. Yeah,
I tell you something, man. You know, so when I come look with JJ, I always admire your sexy lips.
thank you very much, but you know our friendship. I make thanks for the little compliments, alright? And if you when I get a girlfriend, we have lingerie and something, could I? Nice lingerie today.
Alright, that's how you go.
But I dry out now, man. Me don't say me no want you already.
Alright, that's how you go.
Take care of yourself. Me have your number, me give you a call, said we.
I come to buy something.
Oh, you can't go and look, man.
I think you have support, you know.
Yeah, man, me like that. That figure one.
One and two, yeah.
4 5 for one of them in all of them.
Yes,
Nice shirt.
Yeah, man, hold on. Yeah, you scared.
No, he can't. He machine. He can't machine mash up. So I just strictly cash.
Yeah, man, the next time I come, I will shop me and go buy it.
I would love that.
Alright, you can keep it cheap.
Really no.
Yeah, man, get your bag.
Look at me. Yeah, man, me have bag. Me have a business bag there. You can make your friend them come shop me. Other man friend them.
Yeah, man. Now, where name my store?
Dominique's Closet.
Alright,
You can find it on Instagram all about, alright?
Alright,
And make your friend them come shop too. Thanks, here.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, thanks. Thanks again.
Good evening.
Even.
And a nice shirt.
Yeah, we have a lot of nice shirts.
Can fit me?
Yeah, Yeah, man, we have extra large. Just go around there so and just look. Extra, we have small, large, medium, everything. Just go and go look.
But like a large, extra large person.
I'll say extra large. You have a kind of thick body.
No, so one of your large, one of your extra large.
Sis, you can excuse me
Yeah,
talk to my
bro.
sister.
Yes.
Excuse me, let me talk to my sister, please.
Are you your store?
Yeah, this is my store.
Okay, I'm gonna like to pick some cool shit.
Just walk around there
It's
so
like
you
the
see
big
all
man
the
I hear me say. Sis,
Yeah.
I know I hear a store on the road, me a road. You can kill you. Go one side.
Wait, no, remember he's a customer. Dylan, make him do anything, man. Yeah, just walk around, please. And choose the shirt you want.
But let me see that like a black something. The fashion over. Let me see that.
Dylan.
Let me see that fashion over.
Here it is, sir.
Take it down and see. Just look. So look nice for you there.
Thank you very much.
You know,
I
but
really
what?
appreciate that. I have them in
I know.
all.
Put it down here, sir. I'm gonna get this for you. I'm gonna just pay for it for you, alright?
Oh, thank you. Just walk around there for this.
Alright. Let me just see if we get too sure. Okay, I'm not sure.
Alright. Dylan, he's a customer, you know.
I'm a customer there.
You can't make him feel uncomfortable. You can't disrespect.
Customer, them a flirt for you, sis.
Them a go always flirt, Dylan.
Remember me warn you, this man is not a good man.
Listen, customer have rights. So when they come, a man them, you know, I mean, I look no way, me look nice. So when they come, them a go always try to look me. But me want them support the store.
We can take up a barrel, man. No, take up the man here.
Me not look him, and if him a look me not go there so.
Alright, anyway, and that really come about you know.
Yeah.
You know, say mommy sick and the come to look at money to go help out, mommy.
That's good. Dylan, how are they? I give me money, you know, Dylan. I look a shop alone, me having a little store, me having a have a man for Dylan.
Don't worry about man. Jesus is your man. But mommy is your mother.
Alright, me go see what me have.
Alright.
I mean, you see next time me not have it. Tell mommy say at this alone me I do. And I know all the while people want clothes to buy because of COVID time. And what you want to do? You can provide to you know. You're a big man.
Oh, like, oh.
This one little 3 grand.
Money to where I want to do that now.
Dylan, that look at the man, make the man feel uncomfortable now.
I don't like him. I only hope you not take him up.
Give mommy this, and me I'll send her 6 grand in your account tomorrow. Right.
Alright, Mrs.
Alright.
We don't want no dirty bungle in our family.
No dirty bungle. Rise. You see anything you like?
Only thing we see here I like is you, and you're not really a thing. You're a lady.
And I'm flattered by that, sir, but I was just asking if you see anything you like. We have different color sizes. And we have, you can just look right here, please.
I kind of like that one, yes.
Oh, you like the pineapple one?
This is a good nice today. Lingerie that I like for you.
Yes.
Maybe I can invite you one of these days.
I don't know, I'd have to do a rain check. This is
How
the
much
one you
is
like?
this? Yeah, I like this one.
This is for 4 or 5. Most of them are 4 or 5. Oh, like you love these type of shirt. You don't like these ones? Man, see, I have some just for the men.
But what I really like though is you. So these are just something just I love to get. So,
Alright,
catch
sir.
these ones.
Aliesta. American Eagle. 2 Aliesta and 1 American Eagle, right? Oh, everything come to 13.5.
13
Yeah. 10, 12, 13.
You can just have a drink. So this is yours. So
Thank you.
hopefully one of these days I would love to see you in it.
Thank you.
So I can get the number.
I don't really like to give up my number like that.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Alright. But I'll come back.
Alright, thank you so much for shopping again at InStyles. Alright?
Have a look at you.
I'm your pleasure.
Have a look at you. Take care of some hair.
Come
I can't sit down.
Well, the place no look too bad though. Like a girl, you live in a style low.
Not because me invite you over, me never do nothing, you know. Just invite you over for ask you for some money for do me here.
A simple thing that babes. You talk about. Me never want nothing either. Me don't type of somebody there, you know. Me just jump and have sex. So something about you know. I'm just saying.
Boy, if you're a star, you're full of skill, you know.
I'm not skill, I just stamina. You know what I mean? For stay so long, just take technique. But that's when I think what I do. Because I tell you something to be a player, you know. You understand? So it's a good vibration. Yo, you see that good thing the way I do. You muscle up thing. I will learn them thing there.
Now I'll tell you. Secret.
So you have some chicks up your sleeve differently. You know, so relationship have a tendency to not work because of expectation. You know what I mean? So expectation sometimes is a problem. You know what I mean? So the long waiting not to make no difference. Because if you go work, you go work. If you not work, you not work. But now I go nowhere. If you go somewhere gone long time and you say, hold me.
Plan for all your more.
Yeah man, you hold me man, the right so I go on. So differently though. I tell you, you know, because I'm a youth like this, you know. Talking about holding on thing, we soon cut still got something to deal with, but you know, I have to go somewhere far go chill out, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because I think we don't want to go on river. You ever did in a river yet?
No.
You did not want tree yet?
No.
I lie. You can't swim?
No.
You ever did on a water bottom yet?
No. What? We are going underwater?
Yeah man, you love water.
Yeah, you don't know. Say me love water already.
That's why I give you look sweet water a while ago. You taste it?
Yeah.
No make people change you, you know. You must feminine. You know, for masculine. But I like the side of you when you know the girly side. Mwah.
Hey, girl.
Girl, you know, hear me a call you, where you there?
You know the one? I'm caught up in a something right now.
So it sound like you're the warm, so I know in the house, son, you know.
No, man, I'm not the one. I'm on the road. As I say, I'm caught up in a something big.
You caught up in a something big.
Yeah.
If you see so. But some food, I come beg you still, you know, cook.
No, I'm not cook. I have something for deal with later.
Alright. So you rush, so.
Later. Distraction.
You want to go on more runs?
No. I'm tired right now.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
No, I'm just passing through. I'm saying make us quick stop. See if you're okay.
I'm okay. Me? Yeah, cause I know your face look familiar. You bought 3 shirts the other week. The other day.
That's nothing.
Oh, and you bought me lingerie, a black one. I remember that.
I didn't even get to see you then.
You know that's not possible right now.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good. Remember, it's my product, so
Yeah. Well, I'll wait.
no problem. But are you here to buy any more? Cause I consider you want shorts or pants now since you have shirts or something.
No, I didn't really come for anything. I assume I really come for still. Like I was thinking, like, is it okay I can invite you out for dinner or something?
That's nice, but as you can see, I'm very busy. So I don't know if I have any free time.
That's the exact reason I want to take you out. I know you're stressed. I see.
No, I'm not stressed. Don't
Well,
say.
you need some like a time to yourself.
Well, it can work in a, but just not right now.
I'm gonna just let you think about it. And
I think I can do that. I can think about it.
what about probably next time is?
I can't. I would know about next time. We'd have to make arrangements or something.
I'll just surprise you then.
Well, yeah, you can try that.
Alright, hope you have a wonderful evening.
Same to you.
And I'll see you again, alright?
Yeah, I'll see you too.
Thank you.
Thanks for making it Instas again, even though you did not buy anything. But thanks.
Fuck's sake. good.
Thank you again.
Yeah, that's right.
Anything you say, anything you say.
I go home, go think about it, you know.
Like really right now?
No.
You're not tripping right now.
No, like for real, I'm gonna drink some white wine and gonna split fine.
Okay, then have a
Think about it.
have a nice evening, Mr. Nate. It was nice talking to you the second time, alright?
Alright, take care.
Same to you. Alright.
What, man? Look how long me I call you.
Where are you living now?
Me not deal with nothing now. How long me I try to find you, me I call you now and say you just a treat me one way, so.
No, nothing wrong. I just, my time get busy. I'm not speaking to him.
You get busy, so you're too busy for me?
You know, I'm trying to call somebody in the car. You feel say, I know you got a problem with me, you know what I mean? Between the two of us because I mean that's a problem, man, right? You know what I mean? That's a problem.
All of them promises the way I say me do something good or something and you're not gonna leave me, you're not gonna hurt me or whatever, I'ma believe you.
No, you know, you're something good. You know what I mean? So I know nothing like that. I know you're a problem. I just mean overall, we just get caught up in a something and one out here. I know, just try. If there's something that people don't want it, then they can care with somebody different. And I feel we may still can be friends. You know what I mean? You just can't work between me and you.
What you mean friends? Me know want me if we be friends. We never make up that agreement for me and you be no friends.
Right now, we don't want to look up to hurt you. Because you're a nice girl and thing, you know what I mean? You're very beautiful and there's something tight and you can't do it right. I don't think that's the problem. I mean, I don't want to leave, I don't want to wrong road, so we have the best thing for you by telling you that just find somebody nice, you know what I mean? They can take care of you and do the thing you want, you know what I mean?
That wasn't the agreement for me find somebody. Are you alone? Me alone? Me and you alone is supposed to be nobody else.
No, yes, it's true. Sorry about that. Sorry about everything was wrong. Everything go down and we can't get it straight. So the reason I try to use you, but I just understand I said that it just work out at the time you know. Every time it's 6 years, it could have gone after that 6 years, but no, can't work.
It can't work. So why it can't work? You promised me forever. You say you love me.
And then I didn't like that time. Sorry about that. Right now, the girlfriend has come, the girlfriend has come.
What you mean, girl? What you mean your girlfriend have come? What you mean? We are talk about? Don't hang up the phone now. Don't hang up the phone now. Me I talk to you.
Some kind of a. Hello?
Shakaberry.
Hello,
Me can't talk. Just call up for me right now, please. Man, he break me heart. He say he don't love me no more. Yeah. Me can't. He must say one bag or something. Just call up for me. Come with me and talk. Me can't talk over the phone right now.
Alright, now come.
Alright.
I'm not body.
We are the
Lift me alone. You kill me.
man.
Yes, me love him. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You idiot. What you? You idiot. You saw me tell you to let the boy alone. Me tell you let the boy alone. Let the boy
boy alone, you know here. Well, him not love you, so left him. You idiot. You kill us. Look how much cocky you out there, you idiot. Me tell us if you left your boy alone, you know. A long time, me tell you if you left him alone, you know, kind of him, no. You can't want to kill yourself over one man. No worry yourself. You see, anybody who mess with my friend, anybody who mess with my friend, get knocked, get dirt. We have somebody we are kill people. So anybody who you see mess around nobody are going like so them bad, dirty in dirt them. So, you know what I mean by dirt, not true?
You mean killing?
Dead him a go dead. So, me go give you the number, and you call her. Me go give you the number, you call her, and then, yeah. So take the number, yeah. You're too nice that you're so smart. What makes smart people like I always find yourself in them type of place, yeah. I look for me, I go begging them, and you call me, you're ball, you know, say you're my friend and I love you. So you know, say me have to come, me I go back for your food, because I don't want to engage with.
Alright,
Let me take down this, car. I don't trust you, you know, because you act like say. And when you like, you can't go me, we don't want to use a comfort. Make sure say you're not trying no foolishness.
Yeah, alright.
Make sure you know me, I'll call when me reach up.
Come on, alright. Alright.
You come like you know no sense.
Hello?
Hello, are you the hitman or woman?
Yeah, I'm the hitman.
One of my friends gave me your number. So
Okay,
I can call you and you'll kill a man for me.
of course. So we're gonna meet by the golf court. So there's a dark alley at the back of the golf court. Meet me there.
The dark hole you want me to come, miss?
Yeah,
Alright, so meet you in a dark alley.
exactly.
Alright then. Cool.
Hey, so, you are the lady?
I'm the lady.
Here is this picture.
Alright, so I want half before and half after. So it's gonna be 100,000.
$100,000?
Yeah. So 50 before and 50 after.
Alright, I want him dead anyway, so he will work. So when me pay the half?
Whenever you want it done.
Oh, I want it done soon, because him fit dead. The boy there fit dead.
What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow good, so where me meet you back to get the first money?
Right here, same place.
And the job done.
Job done.
Dead boy dead.
Dead boy dead.
Alright, thanks.
Tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Well, the lock up already?
Yeah, I'm locking up right now.
Oh man, I'm just me I come get checking up.
Really?
Yeah, you want help?
Yeah, you can take up from right over there. So.
Nah, like I love to see you know, swear to God.
Really?
Yeah, I was wondering though, like if I can invite you out tonight, like for a drink.
I mean, you're not tired for asking for one drinks. I mean, I'm not thirsty.
We just want to go somewhere we can sit down and talk.
Tell you I'm busy already. I don't have the time for that.
You work so hard. You just need to let your hair down, man. Listen,
Yes, Nate.
you're too beautiful to be. I'm not like the rest of guys, you know.
I didn't say you were like the other type of guys.
Like, me see you, and I'm gonna tell you, me just can't get my mind off of you. Like, me can't, like, me think about you every day, and me don't even know you. Like,
And I'm flattered, but I'm just busy. You know?
you know what? Let me get these for you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
But you can think about it, you know.
I will.
Like, a long time I since one girl that me like so much.
Yeah, like, I mean, no problem. You can just lift this one as alright.
Sis,
What's up, Derek?
what about this? You know, sir, if you try to send me for 6 grand and you tell me say they'll send more money to me, no, me can't see me check my account.
Me tell you, say me no have any more money. The last money me have, I eat me sending at the account, and me tell you, say business slow. Upon me neck, me the Gary. And you know this too. Me one can't do it, and you know that too. Mama have other pick me too, you know. Remember, no me and you alone.
I understand the business slow, but you can do better, man.
What do you mean me can't do better? Yeah, thank you very much. Someone else. What you were saying now, Garrick?
Sis, I see why the business is slow.
No, Garrick, don't say that, please.
That the same shirt we see for the style and you give the man the shirt.
Garrick, no. He bought the shirt. He bought 3 shirts, by the way. And he bought a lingerie for me. Remember?
Alright, him buy you the lingerie.
Yes.
So him come back with peace and you have to say, here what? Me and your sister and brother, so me not going to that. Remember say me want that brother, you know. So see, if nothing happen to you, no call me phone.
Garrick, you're gonna...
Just remember mommy. Just remember mommy money sending on my account.
You come with the negative energy. The man has money. Come on, man. You have sense, man. Look at the man in dress. Look at the type of glass he's wearing, Gary. Come on, man. You're not wearing those type of glass.
Just don't call me. Just send the money, me will check.
How ungrateful are you, Garrick? I've been sending money to my mother account. You alright? You alright? All I do is just come name out the little business what me I run. Telling
What was that about?
no, it was my brother, you know, family conflicts. Yeah.
So, how are you getting home though?
I don't even know right now. I'm so stressed. I'm not even thinking right now.
Don't worry about it. I'll take you home.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Let's just close up the shop.
I'm gonna go get my bag.
Alright. You can start from telling me about your day. How was the day?
As you can see, my day was stressing. I mean, me and my brother in a big conflict. I want to sleep. The business is slowing, is running down. A lot of things right now. I buy a lot of new stock. A lot. I have stocks and stocks. Sometimes I have stock where not even it finish. I may still buy new stock on top of that stock. But I guess the thing is, the people like, they're not, they know money low because of COVID time right now, so people kind of strict on the clothes shopping. I think people are shopping mostly like food, so that make the business just a little bit slow, and that kind of stressing, if you get where I come from. But what do you do? Like, what type of business you have?
My business is a normal business, but I do stocks.
Oh, come on, what kind of stocks? I'm interested to know.
I do trading.
Forex trading or just normal trading?
No, Bitcoin.
What's that?
Bitcoin.
What's it again?
It's digital currency. I'm looking into real estate and looking to buy a piece of land where I can build a plaza, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, you know, I always love that thing, real estate. I think I would go in it. Because, I mean, you get good benefit out of it. And that's good for you. That's really good.
Well, yeah, that's what I do. And before I go, I hear your brother running up his mouth, and you can just give your mommy this.
No, I'm okay.
Don't have to. Don't
No,
listen.
I don't really take money from strangers, or especially men.
I'm not a stranger. You don't have to.
I can't take it.
Just give your mommy. It's nothing, man. It's just a small change in the bucket. We big people. Listen, Dominic.
Yes, Nate.
I'm a big man. You're a big man. Those things are for kids. That's nothing, man.
Thank you very much.
Let me walk you to your door. I'd love to give you a massage, but I'm not gonna think about that.
I love that too, but not right now.
Oh my God.
So much.
Oh, this is where you live?
Yeah, this is where I live. And I'm going in right now because I am tired. So, I'll see you in the morning.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm glad you're home safe,
Yeah. So, tomorrow, alright?
Alright, so. Okay.
Yeah, have a great.
So just hide in the bush right here and wait for her. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, so the last location was a bit too risky, so we're gonna have to meet somewhere else. Change of plan, yeah. Just go a bit further, like 100 meters, and you're gonna see me. All right. Okay, see you there. Bye.
$50. Here you can count it.
All right.
Make sure you make him dead,
It's gonna be done tonight.
So you said tonight why are dead? Alright.
Miss, you're under arrest.
Under arrest, boy. What that?
I'm a detective.
I don't mean
Raise your hands.
I don't mean I never want it. I don't mean me never want him dead. I just joke. Please, for this man, stop it, please stop. Me never want him dead. Joe, yo man, you stop me now.
you reach to the end of the video, thank you for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these great content for you guys. And please, before you skip off the video, remember to hit that subscribe button, because it's important when you subscribe to our channel so we can continue to create these great content. And for every single person who has been supporting what we're doing, just keep on supporting. It's almost the end of the year, and it's a pleasure to create all these wonderful videos right throughout the year for you guys. Thank you for watching, and it's a blessing.